What's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me 2006 Hyundai Tucson. We're gonna do the blower motor, alright? Come check this out. Come down here with me. What? We got the blower motor right here. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna hit this one right here. The one over there. The screws, so I can remove it. This one too. Alright. This connector is kind of funny though. It's a little bit funny, but we'll get to that. Alright, so I disconnect this. I give power to the connectors. This one, wait. This one is ground, and this one on the left, this one right here, is the power. Can make it better here. Okay. The one is flat, horizontal, is ground, and the one vertical is power. Okay, so I give some power. The blower motor react, so it works. Now I'm gonna go to the resistor, which is right here. I'm just gonna disconnect the connector, connect the new resistor, and see if it works. Now these connectors are kind of funny though. Alright, I get to that. This type of connector, press it here, press it down, okay, then pull it. The same as with this one right here. Press it here, pull it, okay. Now we're gonna connect the new resistor and see if it works. Okay, have it right here. That's the part number 97035-3D000 resistor for this Hyundai Tucson. Okay. On recording. Sheesh. Okay. Okay. Connect this guy now. Let's see. Like that. Let me try this guy. Turn it on. Pick one. Anyone. Huh. I don't hear the blower motor. You know why? Because it's disconnected. Now we're gonna connect this thing, this guy back. There you go. Now it works. You hear it? So yeah, it's the resistor. Okay, it's not a blower motor, it's the resistor. Right? Now that we figured out what's the problem, there's two bolts, one there, Phillips, the star, whatever you want to call it. You want to remove those, put the new resistor. So this is the old one. Look at this. Now look at this. Times change. Whoa. Calm now. All right. Now we'll just put it back. Okay. Remember the part number I gave you? That's the wrong one though. You saw the shape is different. This is the right one. That one. This is one. Here, this one. 97179-1F210. Okay, that's the right part for this car. That's for the resistor. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. All I did was, check the blower motor and see if it works with the probe, and it worked. So then the other option was check the resistor. I switched the resistor and turn the key on to the on position, check the blower, and it worked. All right. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Okay. And if you have a problem like that next time, now you know how to check for your blower motor. Okay. It's okay if you buy the blower motor in advance or the resistor at the same time, but this is how you really check, to pinpoint the problem. You know what I'm saying? All right. Subscribe to the channel. Do that for me. Okay. Support my channel. Support my work. Okay. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, community, family members, haters. I love you too. Okay. The whole planet. You know what I'm saying? Japan, Germany, all that. Okay. Peru, Brazil, Argentina. If I don't mention your country, you there. You know what I'm saying? You right here. You know what I'm saying? So I want to leave it right there. I'm clacking now. I'm out deep.